Email marketing as a freelance career. What do email marketers do? They build email flows. They build lead magnets to help get or build email lists. They create email campaigns, and then they automate some sequences. Services offered: newsletter writing, automation setup, CRM integration, and then analytics. Tools they use include MailChimp, ConvertKit, MailerLite, HubSpot, and other email marketing platforms. How they earn: per flow pricing, monthly management, campaign fees. Example, an email marketer can charge 80,000 naira for 5 email drip campaigns. Key takeaway: email marketing is stable, technical, and also lucrative, as businesses are beginning to look to consistency around trying to keep in touch with their customers. How do you start freelancing? Step 1, you can pick a niche. Choose 1 or 2 skills to start with so that you can build that up really fast. And also if you get a client that needs that particular service, you can deliver it well. Because in the space of freelancing, your good job speaks for you in the long run. 2, build your portfolio. You can use personal products or mock brands to build a portfolio so that when the client comes to you, you have something to submit to them where they can then judge and select you in case they have other candidates, or they can choose you above other candidates. Create your pricing. Have a pricing or package or packages so that your clients or your prospects can have options where they want to pick from, and so that you can also speed up your conversation process with prospects. Set up your online presence. LinkedIn, portfolio website, Upwork profile. People need to find somewhere where they can size you up. They can be sure you can deliver. They can see everything you've done or things to talk about, and then have convictions, right? To be sure that they can do business with you. Start applying for jobs. So now, once you have all of those set up, you can jump into freelance platforms and then do some cold outreach on LinkedIn or personal DMs on WhatsApp or referrals, or talk to business owners and tell them, I can help you grow your business. Let me do this job for you for 1 month, and if you see changes, you can start paying me. These are some techniques that might work. Example, creating a mock content calendar for a fictional restaurant to showcase your skill. You could do this and add to your portfolio. Start small, build credibility, scale gradually. Where can you find freelancing clients? On freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, X. Cold outreach also by emailing and DMing business owners or businesses. Referrals, past clients recommending you. Example, if you post a before and after content of the results you got, say, a business owner, and then you see other people asking about your service. Key takeaway: clients are everywhere. Your visibility determines your opportunities. How to price your services? Well, hourly prices, best for flexible products. Monthly retainer, best for ongoing management. Example will be your social media management jobs or gigs. Project-based pricing, best for SEO, ad setup, strategy sessions. Factors influencing pricing: your skill, your experience level, the complexity of the project, and then the deliverables. Example, someone can charge 250,000 naira retainer for social media marketing, and then another can charge 480,000 naira or 80,000 naira project fee for an SEO audit. Key takeaway: your pricing should reflect your value, time, and expertise, not fear, and definitely not greed. Client management and communication. To keep your clients, to have a good client relationship, you need to set clear expectations. Discuss timeline, deliverables, and role. Our advice is better to under-promise and over-deliver than over-promise and under-deliver. Have written agreements. Contract protects both parties. Provide regular updates. Your clients want to know what's going on, so weekly reports or calls will help. Be professional. Meet deadlines and communicate honestly. If there are issues, let your client know. Weekly progress and next step email to clients is a good move. Key takeaway include good communication is what turns one-off clients into long-term clients. So if you want to move your clients from just being short-term to long-term, then make sure you communicate well. Common challenges and how to handle them. Late payments. You could use contracts, upfront deposit, or milestone payments as a way to manage that. Difficult clients, where you can maintain boundaries and document conversations that everybody can see all that has transpired. Scope creep. You can define your limits in your contracts. These are people who easily just want to add to your job, right? So you could define those limits in contracts. Burnouts. You can plan workload and take breaks in between to avoid burnouts. Example, you can charge 50% upfront for all ad setups. Key takeaway, you become a strong freelancer by mastering both skills and client relationships. So practical activity, choose one freelance skill and then create a 3-package pricing system. Draft a sample proposal for a mock client. Build a sample portfolio slide showcasing your skill, and then create a LinkedIn post marketing your freelancing service. Your first freelancing client often comes after your first public showcase. So take note of that. These assessments will be evaluated based off on the clarity, structure, creativity, and real-world application.